Should you build an audience or should you build a list? Well, that's a question I aim to answer in this video. One of the topics that come up frequently is what exactly is an audience? What exactly is a list? In order to answer that question, we kind of need to go back a step and understand the reason behind building an audience or building a list. Really, there's a couple different reasons that you want to build either of these things. One is you want to be able to reach as many people as possible so that way you can help them. And two, you ultimately want to build a list or an audience so that way you can sell them something. There might be some other reasons in the mix, but that's really the primary two reasons why you would want to build a list or an audience, is because you want to have more impact, you want to reach more people, and you want to make more money. I mean, let's face it, that's really the goal of doing a lot of this work, putting in all the effort, is you want to help people, but you also want to be compensated for your time. So with that in mind, let's answer the question of what's better, a list or an audience. One isn't better than the other. Both serve the same purpose, but it depends on what your immediate goal is. An audience is a group of people that you're being able to talk to. And typically you think of this as when you're producing content. So it could be through Facebook, it could be through YouTube, or it could be a podcast. The audience is the group of people that you're reaching that will listen to your content. So growing your audience is great because the more subscribers that you can get to your channel, the more followers you can get on Instagram, the better, right? Because as you publish content, as you put content out there, the more followers you have, the more people you can reach. Now, the difference between an audience and a list is that the list is something that you can take with you no matter what platform you're on. A list is usually an email list when it comes to online and digital marketing. And an email list allows you to reach people off platform. So a list is something that you own and you control it, versus an audience is typically tied to a platform, right? So if you build up a huge audience, let's say on Instagram, and you want to start a YouTube channel, well, the only way that you can grow your YouTube channel with the people that you have on Instagram is by letting the Instagram people know that you're also on YouTube, right? If you have an email list, then you can reach people no matter what platform you're on. You can promote your content to your email list and say, hey, I posted this new stuff on Instagram. Hey, I posted these new videos on YouTube. Go check them out. Oh, by the way, I have this new thing that I'm working on. It just makes getting in front of your people a lot easier if you have your own list. Now, a major objection I hear about building an email list is that email is dead. It's going away. Nobody checks email. But the reality is email is still a really great method of reaching people, and it's not going away. The amount of time you spend building an email list now will continue to pay off for years in the future. To answer the question, which one is better, an audience or a list? I really say it's both. They're both equally important. You need to be able to have a following on a platform like Facebook, like Instagram, to be able to not only reach the people that are already following you, but also try and reach new people who will be interested in your content. The reason you want to build an email list is because you want to be able to reach people that aren't tied to a specific platform. And this is especially important if you're trying to build a business around your social media content. If you're depending on social media to be around forever or not ban you or whatever the case may be, then your business is at risk of going away. So in order to be able to help ensure that your business doesn't go away at some point in time, building that list that you own, that you can control, helps you be confident that you can build your business and you can actually grow it and scale it to a level that you're looking for. If you're depending on social media only for promoting your business, then you're kind of rolling the dice and seeing if things will work out in the future. I'm not a big fan of rolling the dice and just taking a chance to see what works. I like to have a method, I like to have strategy, I like to have things that I can control and I know that they'll work or not, mixed in with a little bit of risk, obviously. But if you're only depending on social media, I think as a business owner, that's absolutely too much risk, and you need to help hedge that risk by building your own email list as well. I'll have links to a couple different resources in the description below if you're interested in things like this. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to The Cloud CEO, be sure to do that. At this channel, we talk about different things like digital marketing, YouTube, and systems and automation to help make your business grow. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.